Hi everybody, it's Claire. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this very easy, sleek, low ponytail with a braid. I absolutely love this look right now. It's super easy to do, so let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial. So I want to create a side part to start because I think that looks really nice. So what I'm going to do is take a comb and just go bring it back about right there. Actually, that looks horrible. Try to make a straight line, unlike me. Then what you want to do is just start smoothing out that hair a little bit. I blow dried my hair already and I got it pretty big and fluffy. That's what I love about this look. Your hair can be really nice and textured. That's totally okay. Actually, it's better. It'll make it a little more volumized. What I'm going to do now is gather the hair. I'm going to bring it down to the base of my neck towards the back here. And I'm just kind of focusing on getting that hair as smooth as I can with my hands to start. So what I do is I kind of just keep flattening it out, then grabbing the ponytail, flattening out, grabbing the ponytail, a little bit of back and forth. And as you can see, this is again very low on my neck. That's what we want. I want it about right here. And now I'm going to secure this part with a thick elastic. So based on your hair thickness, you want to secure it whether it's with a thick or thin hair tie. So just like that. Now my all-time favorite trick that you guys have seen me do here a lot on my channel is using hairspray with a toothbrush. So we're doing that again today. Just a really great trick if you have flyaways or if you really want that hair to look nice and sleek. So what you do is take that old toothbrush and just get those baby hairs down. Like this just really gets in there. It makes a really pretty shine to the hair as well. I'm even gonna spray on directly. I'm just using a little bit of L'Oreal Elnet classic hairspray, and I'm just gonna start going all the way around the head. If you feel like you have a bump and you need to re-tie your hair or just like redo the ponytail, you can do that, no worries at all. Sometimes I'll like do this step and then redo the ponytail if I want it really tight. I also love doing this with hairspray because it just makes the hairstyle smell really good. So I am gonna actually redo the ponytail because I feel like I moved some of the hair around, but this is actually a great tip for you guys. Now that the hairspray has kind of molded it into place, you want to redo the ponytail here. It takes 2 seconds and it also just does make it look a little nicer. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And I almost want the ponytail like sticking up a little bit. You don't want it to go like attached to your neck, but low and kind of almost sticking out a little bit since I am going to go in with a braid. I'm gonna check that one more time. Give it a good spritz. Can you tell I really like this hairspray? Oh my gosh, so much hairspray. I'm getting makeup all over my white shirt, so that's good. My hair is soaking wet now. Okay, so now that we have that ponytail in place, you could just leave it as is if you wanted to, but we're gonna take this a step further. And what we're gonna do is go ahead and do a really nice, easy braid here. So all you're gonna do is make sure this is nice and brushed out. Separate this into 3. You're just gonna do a regular braid, but you wanna have a little elastic or orthodontic band. If you have that on hand, those look the best, I think, when you're doing a hairstyle where you need to secure the ends. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and start braiding. And I wanna make this semi-tight. I don't want it like overly tight, and I don't want it overly loose. I want it to look polished, so I find that like going a little bit on the tighter side looks better. I do have a little bit of layers, so I do need to watch out for that, but I'm gonna do, you know, just work with what I got here and just keep going. Okay, when you start to see a little like pieces sticking out, good place to stop. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is actually go ahead and thicken up the braid a little bit. I feel like it's a little too small for me. So what you can do is actually grab the ends and of the braid and just kind of like fatten it up a little bit. Adds a little texture and fullness to the braid, which I love. So you can see I have like a really nice shine in the front from the hairspray. It looks really polished, and you can see I didn't use a hot tool. It looks like I did a lot more than I actually did. I think what makes this look really nice is that you have a really clean part. You have a nice shine to your hair without looking like it's greasy, and you can do this for greasy hair. It works even better when your hair is greasy, and it's just all kind of like polished and pull out of your hair. This could be a great sports hairstyle. You could do this for work. You could do this to go to school. It's super easy. I even would try this with a fishtail braid. You can really make it your own or do the part in the center. So I hope you guys try it out. Let me know what you guys think of this hairstyle and what hairstyles you want to see next on my channel. And I look forward to seeing y'all in the next video as always. So take care. Bye.